Have you ever wondered how a storm on the sun could wreak havoc on our planet Earth? Imagine a gargantuan eruption on the sun, an explosion so powerful it flings charged plasma into the vastness of space. This phenomenon is known as a coronal mass ejection, or CME for short. Now, predicting the arrival time and intensity of these solar storms is a bit like trying to hit a moving target in the dark. We're limited by the number of sensors we have floating around in space. Recently, there's been a spike in solar activity with eruptions large enough to cause moderate geomagnetic storms. Now you might be wondering, what does all this mean for us on Earth? Solar storms, while fascinating, can have serious implications for our planet. These celestial tempests are not as benign as they might appear. When the sun erupts, it flings charged plasma into space in what we call a coronal mass ejection, or CME. The direction of the magnetic field in this plasma cloud determines the strength of the storm that eventually hits Earth. Now imagine a storm so strong it disrupts our magnetic field. This can have far-reaching effects, from our satellites orbiting in space to the communication equipment we depend on for our daily lives. It can even affect our power grids, causing outages and disruptions. Even astronauts out on space missions are not immune to the effects of these solar storms. Recently, we witnessed an X5 class flare, one of the most powerful since 2017. This solar flare is expected to cause a geomagnetic storm on Earth, which may lead to stunning displays of the northern lights in the northern hemisphere. But these lights are not just a spectacle to be admired. They are a reminder of the sun's fiery temper and the potential havoc it can wreak on our planet. The sun's magnetic activity follows an 11-year cycle. We are currently in solar cycle 25, which is nearing its peak. Scientists predict that this cycle will reach its maximum between January and October 2024. So, the next time you marvel at the beauty of the northern lights, remember, it's all thanks to the sun's fire.